Hi, my name is Tyler Saran. I recently moved to Bangkok for Webster University from Arizona. Graduated from Arizona State University in December and am pursuing a Master's of Arts in International Relations here at Webster University. Today I had the awesome opportunity to attend a Webster-sponsored career fair where I got to meet with a lot of NGOs from names such as Amnesty International to the United Nations, as well as smaller NGOs in the region. I think this is an awesome opportunity for students not only that are graduating but also that are in their studies, because there are a lot of opportunities from volunteer work to internship to full-time employment. So I'm very thankful for this opportunity that Webster has provided for me.
Hello, my name is Maria Sukhareva and I'm a student at Webster University Bangkok campus in Thailand. Today's experience is revolutionary for me. I've never seen so many companies here today being so friendly and so appreciative for the experience they are providing with us today. I've spoke to many companies and gained a lot of experience with how to talk to people, how to present yourself, what to say, what things not to say, and it's great to gain experience while you're still at university looking at possible careers. And I'm sure other students will find it just as valuable as I did today.
Hi, my name is Henrik. I'm from Denmark and I'm a student here at Webster University in Thailand, Bangkok. Today I've been at a career fair, and a couple of months ago I was at this same career fair where I actually secured an internship. And Webster is very amazing because it provides me with this opportunity to go out and socialize with companies and get a job and get real-world work experience. And I'm so happy for this opportunity because a couple of months ago I was here as a student and now I'm here representing one of the companies, and it has been an amazing experience.